Hey, let's go. Washington offers a huge variety of cultural food opportunities. But growing up in Yakima, surrounded by plenty of Mexican food, I can tell you I'm always ready for a taste of home. Here at Los Chilangos in Kirkland, their recipes start at the roots.
Basically, when I need to make a recipe better, I call my mom.
Owner Oscar Mendez knows that if his recipes are going to be on point, he needs to check in with his two toughest critics.
Whenever they come from Mexico, they come, they check the recipes, I tell them, hey, what can I do better,
It's all about mom, huh? She's going to give you the thumbs up.
Yeah, she's the one that, says this is good and this is not.
You're also using a lot of fresh local vegetables as well, is that correct?
Yeah, of course. Maybe 90% of the vegetables we use, they can be, local from Washington. Tomatillos, lettuce, bell peppers, zucchinis.
All that stuff's like right out of the Yakima Valley, isn't it?
Of course, yeah.
Definitely.
The real draw here are the special chilequiles, tortilla chips drenched in queso fresco, a special mixture of carne asada and chorizo, and topped with Washington-grown veggies.
I'm looking at this plate that you just gave me, and this got some heft to it.
Yeah.
This is no joke, man. Yeah. You gotta have some fun. Be a little messy. It's pretty good, man.
Oh, it is, right?
The chorizo and the carne asada.
It's a good mix, right?
Oh, it's great, for sure. This is delicious. You guys gotta find Los Chilangos as soon as you can. You won't regret it.
Let's see what people think of Los Chilangos chilequiles.
That's very good.
I love it.
I like it.
I like it. Meat's tender.
It's very, very flavorful immediately.
I just like the combination of the flavors, actually. It's nice, it's balanced.
Yeah, it tastes really interesting because you get like a little spice of chorizo mixed with the carne asada, and then you get a little bit of the egg and mixed in there, and the tortilla chips. Like it's a really good mixture.
Actually, it looks beautiful, and it actually tastes really good.
And you can taste the fresh onion that obviously has a very sharp flavor to it.
You want fresh stuff, right? Everyone wants fresh food.
It's local, it's close, and you support farmers in the area, so that's really nice. And also knowing it's fresh.
It was all really delicious.